Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, we need to go to search bar and simply type here microphone privacy settings, and from the search results we need to click on the microphone privacy settings, which is from system settings. So click on it to open it. Once we are here, we need to do some steps. We need to enable some access for the microphone. So first of all, if you see it's disabled, then we need to enable it, the microphone access, and then again enable the let app access your microphone. Enable this option also, and enable all the options for the particular applications. And once done, we need to simply enable this option also, let desktop apps access your microphone. So enable this one. Once done, just close this window and simply go to search bar, type mmsys.cpl, and this is from control panel item. So click on it. Once we are here, you will get the microphone option here. Simply right click on it and try to disable it and again enable it. Once done, select it and open its properties. Go to levels tab and make sure this should be the 100% and enable also. If you get the closed option here, so enable it and simply click on apply and then OK. Once done, simply restart your system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way and effective one also. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.